Let's start next AI Insights Journey: Advanced AI Applications and Innovations. AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity by enhancing threat detection, anomaly detection, and automated security responses. Here are some advanced applications and innovations. 1. Threat detection: AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and anomalies that could indicate a security threat. Machine learning models are trained on historical data to recognize potential threats and predict future attacks. 2. Anomaly detection: AI systems continuously monitor network traffic and user behavior to detect deviations from normal patterns. This helps in identifying unusual activities that could signify a cyber threat before it escalates. 3. Automated security responses: AI-driven solutions can automatically respond to detected threats in real time. This includes actions like isolating compromised systems, blocking malicious IP addresses, and deploying patches to vulnerabilities. 4. Natural language processing (NLP). NLP is used to analyze unstructured data, such as emails and social media posts, to detect phishing attempts, social engineering attacks, and other forms of cyber threats. 5. Vulnerability management: AI helps in identifying and prioritizing vulnerabilities in software and hardware, enabling organizations to address critical issues promptly. 6. Incident response: AI enhances incident response by quickly analyzing the scope of a breach, identifying affected systems, and recommending remediation steps. 7. Predictive analytics: AI models predict potential future attacks by analyzing trends and patterns in cyber threat data, allowing organizations to proactively strengthen their defenses. 8. Security orchestration, automation, and response (SOAR). AI integrates with SOAR platforms to automate repetitive and manual tasks, freeing up cybersecurity teams to focus on more strategic initiatives. Challenges and considerations: while AI offers significant advantages, it also presents challenges such as the need for continuous training, potential vulnerabilities in AI systems themselves, and the ethical implications of automated decision-making.